strike occurs, it has all the muscle and form of an Olympic dive. Rocketing straight out of the water to heights of 6 feet, a croc can snatch animals from trees. If they can get a push off with their feet, they use it. But the real power behind the leap is bioengineering in the tail. The tail vertebrae are connected by ball and socket joints, permitting maximum range of movement. A system of muscles running from the skull to the tip of the tail creates a single drive chain capable of tremendous coordinated power. It all works to turn this croc into a toothy torpedo.